Well, this is not a video that I wanted to make, but I knew that this was a real possibility. As I told you guys, I would share any successes or failures with this bike. Last night I had my first failure and it left me stranded. So, I'm commuting to work on my bike currently. I'm having a lot of fun doing it, and I want to ride as much as I can despite the weather here being pretty cold, pretty rainy. So, I'm working about 10-hour shifts, swings, and I commute about an hour and a half round trip to and from home via the ferry. So, I get down to the ferry dock last night, they're loading the boat, I shut my bike off and wait for them to tell me to load onto the boat. They wave me on, I go to start my bike, ignition turns on, infotainment comes on, hit the crank, nothing. Just cranks and cranks, seems like no spark, no fuel, no nothing. The bike ran absolutely flawless for 608 miles until then, and the boat left without me. I could not get the bike started. They obviously don't want someone to push a dead bike onto the boat. I don't blame them. So I spent the next about hour and a half at the ferry dock waiting for my bike to just decide that it wanted to start, which it then did. And then I rode it home around on I-5 in the dark, in the wet, potholes. It sucked. So it was a frustrating process, and it made me lose some trust in the reliability of my bike very early on. A brand new bike I've had for 9 days. So that's unfortunate, but I am told that Harley Davidson does have a fix already. As of a few days ago, February 6th, they have a new ECM and BCM update. ECM being the engine control module, BCM being the body control module. So there is an update that they can do now to repair this issue. Apparently this issue has been present on some 2023.5 CVOs, the new body style, and now these 2024s. So hopefully anyone purchasing a 2024 going forward after this February 6th update won't have these issues. I have no idea yet. I am contacting my Harley Davidson dealership today, and we'll be going through the process of getting that flash done, and then I will keep you guys updated as I slam miles onto this bike, whether or not this was a happy fix. Now, I am told that there are some adverse reactions that come with this new map, or flash, if you will. So currently I, on a closed course, tested what the top speed on this bike is, and it was 112 miles an hour. With this new flash, it is speed limited to 100 miles an hour, is what I'm told. So that is not something really that I love, but I do intend to do a standalone ECM and dyno tuning in the future when I do a cam and exhaust. I'm not worried about the Harley Davidson warranty. I would rather be able to have some control over what my bike does with me on it, and so that's the route that I'm going to go. Now this video is not a bash on Harley Davidson in any way. They were quick to create a fix, which I can appreciate, and I tend to like to give companies a bit of grace when it comes to creating a completely new product for us, going out on a limb, taking a chance. They're not giving us the Rushmore fairing for an 11th year and all of the old stuff. They're innovating, and with that comes some trial and error, and I can accept that, and they're doing their best, created a quick solution, so I can appreciate that. So I just wanted to bring you guys this video really quick, just for informational purposes, and for anybody that did buy one of these bikes before February 6th, the ECM and BCM flashes, you could have this issue, and you should probably look into Harley reflashing your stuff. Just know that your speed limiter will change. So thank you for watching this video, and I will bring another one to you guys when I have an update after I've done the flash with Harley, and we'll see what we come up with. So thanks guys.